This is the EAX-300. What we're going to do is install the mortar cylinder and go through the arming sequence. The device has a cover lock, so we need the cover lock key. To unscrew the front cover from the back plate. Get the back plate off. The next thing I do is install the mortar cylinder into the housing, and the cam assembly has to come off. Phillips screwdriver, 2 screws holding it in. Take the cam assembly out. Inside of where the cam assembly was is the cylinder nut. The cam assembly, the top of the cam, has to go to the top of the device. Once we get the cylinder inside the device, take the cylinder nut, thread the cylinder nut down on the cylinder. And these grooves are made in the cylinder nut, so you can use a screwdriver to tighten the nut, or Dtex has a tool that you can install this cylinder nut, and you can tighten it with your screwdriver. So the cylinder's installed. Now you can take the cam assembly and reinstall it back in the device. So now your cylinder's in the device. Your cylinder, turned counterclockwise, is pushing the actuator up on the micro switch.